Stephanie, you need to keep it inside. There's a car over the fence! There's a car over the fence! There's a car over the fence! One by the line, Houston by number 2. Houston, now back to 4. Colby number 3. Brennan on number 1. Morgan still in number 3. Zero 7, Brock 8, Uncle Mike 9, Steph with the 10 spot, Brando. That guy. This is the 9th spot now. That's the number 2. That's the Coleman in the 3rd spot. John Peter right behind him in the 5th spot. Perez in the 6th. Shapiro is going to come by in the 7th spot. Way down 5:40 to go. Here's the top front with the by team now. Coming up the back of Brian and Lisa. Halfway mark, grab the lead again. Here's the corner. go. Right now, front is just one number 2. Randy Coleman to the green guy on number 4. John to number 5. Up to 6, Ryan Still on number 7. Brock Holloway, Wilson Jeffrey in the 9th spot. Brandon got a little bumper on the other side. Steve Forever in the 6th spot right behind the leader in the 3rd spot. This is more yellow and black in my thank you, Mr. Cigar Smoker. 3 minutes to go, guys. 3 minutes to go. Right here. Thank you, Mr. Sullivan. Upside down, trying to get to it. Go, John 2, number 4. Deputy's on the straightaway. And the 3rd spot, still in the podium. Deputy moving up to number 7 now. Guy on Perez about to battle for the 4th spot. 5th spot, I'm sorry. 4th spot lost all of the John 2 out of here. Drop on the bottom line. Final minute. Guy on the back there that needs some help. Still flying himself. Right back into the wall. That's fine. Behind you, Matt, behind you. Alright, try, Dino. Seconds left on the clock. We're going to water right after this, I believe. Every situation we're going to go down some water. Time on after that, we're going to go running. You're done. You have done better than you're done. You're done. Definitely you're done. Get up here, everybody.